is Cindy Crane the Heart, and I am back with another haul. I'm going to start off with a brand new Greetery haul. I just got it, and it comes in this fun packaging. So let's go ahead and get started. So most of these things go together, so that's kind of fun. Start off with the jar. So you got this cool jar die, which you also could turn into a shaker. I saw lots of cool ways to use this, but of course you could use this for, anything you need a jar. So it's a good jar though. We have the container garden. This fits in the jar. And so it's got directions on kind of how to line everything up so that everything lines up good. You've got your dirt, you've got all your little pieces, and it does make something really beautiful. So I did get that. And then there is a container garden die. So if you wanted to use this stamp on something else as well. Then we also have this, also fits in the jar, and this is called Firefly Nights. And Firefly Nights, it fits in the jar, pretty cool. I also have this die that goes with it, as well as the little fireflies. They were out of the, and I haven't been able to get it from Lawn Fun either, the glow-in-the-dark embossing powder. It just seems to be out everywhere. So I need to put those in my own packaging. So then I bought something from Sunny's Studio. They had a sale, so I did buy some things there. Little discount codes, keep that there. I got this stamp set, which is a hexagon one, and I got the little die that goes with it. So lots of different fun ways to use this one. I got this fruit die. It's called Berry Bliss. You can do the strawberries. And I also got this sweet die. And then from CC Designs, I got this one. I think there was 40% off or something like that. I don't even know what this one's called. It's like a reindeer one. Got that one. And then these two, this is a cupcake one and then a little bee. So that's cute. And then from Honeybee Stamp Sets, I got the free one. So if you spend $100, you get the $75, you get the girl, and then $100, you get the dies. So I spent $100, and I got the little girl bee, and the die. And then from Honeybee, I got this stamp set, which is a birthday one, mostly an inside. It's an inside snarky birthday, which I thought was kind of fun. And then this, which is, they have like a baking theme, but this is like a cookie sheet, little cookie dies, and I think it'll go really cute with the apron. I think I have an apron die from Mama Elephant. Here's this one. This is Baked with Love, and I got the dies. And then this is a inside birthday, not snarky. So I thought that'd be fun. And then I am so behind on working on any of my Club La La Land crafts, so I got to get going. They've been getting better, and I think that their dies that they are including are even more value than before, because they're pretty amazing. So this one is a pet themed. It's Pet Loving Marcy. So you get the red rubber stamp sets, and in this one you get the Pet Loving Marcy stamp set, and then you get the different pets which fit in the dies. So the dies, you get a pet cage, you get a fish tank, and you get a bird cage. So really, really cool. And then this one is, and I don't make a lot of crafty type cards, but maybe I will with this one because these are really cute. This is Crafter Marcy. So you get this cute little crafter girl and some sentiments. And then you get the little mice with some sentiments, and they're making little things. And so with the dies, there are an ink pad with brushes, a glue and tape, and then a coloring set. So there's that one. And then this one, which is a plant. This is like a plant one. So get this here. What the heck? Where is it at? It's March. It's the plant theme, I guess. It's plant theme. I have this. Okay. So it's a plant theme, Marcy. And you get the plant Marcy along with these little smarty plants, little mice, and then some cute little sentiments, and then you get a plant shelf, and then you get different types of plants to put on your plant shelf. So that's what that is. So pretty amazing. So I got the newest one, which, let's see if I can find that newest one. Yeah, I got the newest one, which I have not set up. So let's show what this one is. So while I'm doing this, this is Marcy on a Bike. This one is adorable. And the stamp sets, the dies with this are pretty amazing too. All right, so this one, yikes and yikes. You get Marcy on a Bike, and then you get these cute little foxes and some sentiments. And she's very large. She's very large. Very cute, right? This is the June 2021. And then the dies. So the dies, you get the bicycle die, you get the windmill die, and you could put a brad here and your windmill can move. And then you get these snapdragons, which I had no idea that's what those were called. And so look at that. And like all the pieces to make this bike. I mean, isn't that amazing? And then you could put, the basket's very tiny, but I have lots of little tiny stamp sets. You probably could put like a cute little dog or something peeking out of that basket. I think that'd be really cute. Or you can leave the basket off the bike. Like, it's up to you, right? Or up to me. And then these cute little snap dragons, which could, you could use anywhere. But I am just, these kits are really amazing. So that's the latest one. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy Crane with the Heart.